Now it's time to look at some of the specific empires who made an impact. And the first empire is the Ottoman Empire. When did it have its power? From 1299 to 1923. And the first leader of the Ottoman Empire is Osman I. The Ottoman Empire is actually named for Osman. And who lived in the Ottoman Empire? Ottoman Turks, who practiced the religion of Islam, making them Muslims. The original location of the Ottoman Empire was in a small territory known as Asia Minor, shown right here in present-day Turkey. However, at its height, the Ottoman Empire expanded to include Southwest Asia, North Africa, Southeast Europe, and the Balkan Peninsula. And this map is going to show you how much the Ottoman Empire grows from 1300 to 1920. It starts in Asia Minor, but expands to include 3 different continents. And after World War I, it becomes the Republic of Turkey. It changes its name. And there it stands, the Republic of Turkey as it is today. What are some of the major accomplishments of the Ottoman Empire? Well, the first major accomplishment was to conquer a city. After a 53-day battle in 1453, the Ottomans conquered Constantinople, the capital city of the Roman Empire at the time. And once they took it over, they renamed it Istanbul. Now, Sultan Mehmet II is pictured here on this white horse. He was the leader that helped conquer Constantinople. And it was not an easy city to conquer because it was surrounded on 3 sides by water and on 1 side by heavily fortified fences and walls. So the Ottomans used their superior cannon technology to blast through the walls. This is a 23-foot cannon that the Ottomans and Mehmet II used to conquer Constantinople. How did leaders keep such a large empire united for so long, for more than 600 years? You see how vast it is on this map. Well, the short answer is leaders used the Islamic religion to unite and to keep united, and they also used tolerance of other religions. Of course, other religions would creep into the empire, but they did not have a zero tolerance policy. In fact, they were very tolerant of those other religions. This is the flag of the Republic of Turkey, and on it is the logo for the religion of Islam, the crescent moon and star. And that shows you how important Islam was to the Ottoman Empire. How did the Ottoman Empire interact with Europeans? Well, the Ottoman Empire traded often with other societies, especially Europe and its merchants. And the 2 key exports for the Ottoman Empire were coffee and ceramics. Moving on to another empire further east, we have the Mughal Empire. Its founder was Babur. You see here. When did the Mughal Empire exist? From 1526 until 1857. Where? In northern India. Who lived there? Descendants of Central Asia who practiced the religion of Islam, therefore they're Muslims. Let's look at this map in the lower left here that talks about the growth of the Mughal Empire. It started in this region that is outlined in blue, a very small area of northwestern India and in present-day Pakistan, and it grew slowly but largely into a force. Different leaders of the Mughal Empire expanded its territory. What were the major accomplishments of the Mughal Empire? Well, first, the Mughal Empire spread Islam into India. Today, Islam is the 2nd most practiced religion in India. Another major accomplishment of the Mughal Empire is the Taj Mahal. You see it pictured here. It literally translates into the crown of palaces, and that it is. It's located in north central India, just south of India's capital city, New Delhi. What's the story behind the Taj Mahal? Well, in 1632, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ordered it built to honor his third wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died while giving birth to their 14th child. Did the Mughal Empire trade with Europe? The answer is yes. The Mughal Empire traded often with Europe and other parts of Asia. There were three key exports that the Mughal Empire sent out: silk, spices, and gems. Portugal, England, and Netherlands were all three European powers that established coastal ports in India. And I highlighted England because England takes a special interest in India. In fact, England borrows many ideas from the Indian textile industry. You see a textile worker in India here. In fact, England businessmen go to India and set up a business called the British East India Company. And the British East India Company is so successful that many British folks come and settle in India and make India its colony. We're rounding that corner and almost done with lesson 4 of unit 3. First, please pause and answer those summary questions.